Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to return items on Temu step by step. So if you want to return any item that you recently bought in Temu, then follow along. First of all, open your Temu app and then log into your account. Now go to the U section from the bottom of the page. Now click on your orders, and now if you have ordered anything, select the item you want to return. Now select the item which you want to return. Now look for the option to return or refund. Tap on it. Now choose the reason why you want to return. Follow the instructions shown in the screen, and that's it. Your Temu return request is submitted. You shall now wait for Temu to get back to you. And that's it. This is how you can return items on Temu. Thank you for watching, and follow us for more tips and tutorials.